So physical and chemical changes, a physical change is one which you do not change the identity of the substance. So if you look at the ice cream, the popsicle melting, that popsicle, it can melt, but it can refreeze. So the identity of it is not changing, okay? If you look at the rope that's tearing, which is right behind my talking head out here, uh, again, the identity is not changing. So the tearing of the rope, it's just going into smaller pieces, but that's a physical change. If you look at hair being cut out here, that's another physical change. Chemical changes are changes where you're producing new substances with different properties. So if you take a look at the Statue of Liberty out here, uh, if notice carefully that bluish tinge on the statue, that statue was shiny once upon a time. But the reason it's blue right now, or bluish green, you can call it, is because it oxidized, okay? Because it's made up of copper, so it oxidized over time, and what you're seeing is an oxide of copper. That's a chemical change. There was a new substance produced by exposure to the elements. If you look at this baker out here baking bread, the dough where the bread all began had a different chemical identity, and then once the bread was baked, now you have a new substance with different properties. And finally, if you look at lighting a match, when you light the match, the phosphorus in the match actually changes into a different substance when you light it up, and that process is not reversible. It's a new substance with different properties, hence that's a chemical change as well.